So, with an enterprise e-commerce platform, or, well, when things are sold online, two systems often need to be connected. Dynamics, for business stuff, like inventory and orders, and Magento, to manage the online platform. Nice. But Dynamics is huge. Mapping out the data and connecting it to Magento takes a long time. And then Magento has an update. No! In the end, the Magento guy is fixing bugs. The customer can't find anything online, and the platform owner? Poor guy. Introducing Magento Dynamics Connector. It's a Dynamics certified add-on, which simply is a clever piece of pre-programmed software that connects both systems. It can be set up in 10 days because we already mapped out most of the data of Dynamics. And don't worry, we update everything too. All there's left to do is map out the custom things. Sweet! Our connector works both ways. Online orders are sent to Dynamics, of course. But if the customer calls and an order is placed in Dynamics, it's online visible in real time too. Now, the Magento guy is all set. The customer can see every order, and the platform owner, he can sell up to 7 million products with a page loading time of less than 1.2 seconds. No problem! The Magento Dynamics Connector.